Good morning, people, and thank you for following my channel. What we did yesterday is quenching of this tool so I can use it for stone, but apparently, as you can see right here, when I tried on the stone, it gets dull. It isn't so hard, and I think we made a mistake with quenching because my propane burner didn't get enough of the heat, and this part here gets dull when I hit the stone. That's why I think this is a complete failure, and I admit it. And when I go with the file on it, like this, actually a file takes off the material, and that's why I think this piece is a total failure. And quenching with oil, I don't think it's good doing that. I think it's better doing with water, big tank with water, and when you put the piece inside you move it around, because oil gets really hot, and if I leave the piece into the oil, eventually it gets hotter, and I think it loses the hardness during heating, constant heating of the piece, because when I put it in the water takes away all the heat, and then I have the cold piece of metal which is really quenched really hard. Right now I will leave this project until I get the real foundry where I can melt the copper, and plus I will heat up the steel to a great temperature, and then this will be nice. But apart from that, I did one thing actually very good, and I will repeat that project. Yesterday I put some of my sculptures, actually it was a clay sculpture, inside the oven. I don't know if you can see, light is bad, I will turn aside, and now you can see. I put it inside the my fireplace. It was really hot, and ceramics is made when you make something from clay, and then you burn the clay, and the clay should be like hard. And by the sound you can hear that this piece is now really hard piece. Now it's really a ceramic piece. You hear it's really hard when you hit it. So actually I managed to do that. This is my major success, and next it will be a video of me burning baking the sculptures and making the ceramics. So